Good day guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut to generate AI image by using only CapCut PC. Before we start, make sure to hit the like for this video so we can start. So first, as you can see at the top left corner, these are the image that I generate using CapCut desktop. So this is the image that you see on my thumbnail. And to start off, first you need to go to this down command prompt. So you just open it up, and at here you can type what you want to generate using CapCut. So basically, for example, we want to generate a cat fighting boxing match. So you just type your prompt here, cat fighting in, let's start off back, strong cat fighting in a boxing match, and the strong cat has win against its opponent. The match was viewed by many viewers inside the stage. So basically, this is my prompt that I insert in CapCut desktop, and next you can adjust. So basically, you can adjust the style to be general or animate. So we choose animate for this trial, and you can choose the ratio, what does the image looks like for its size. And lastly, you can change for this step. Basically, for this step, the higher the step value, the more generate image will be more detailed. So basically, you just set to higher side, and next you just press for generate. So basically, it takes some time to generate out for the image, and the image, as you can see here, it not include the strong cat inside my photo, but for yesterday trial, I managed to see some cat include in the photo. As you can see, the distribution is similar, the same. So basically, you can just play around to get your result, and you can maybe shorten the words to have more describe towards the prompt, and the AI will generate it out. And basically, if you want to have some reference for others people work, you can just open this tab up, and then you can press for showcase. So basically, this is the showcase example you can refer to. It also include the prompt if you want to copy, and you can edit to make your desired image. And you can see it has landscape, city, and also animate. So basically, you can just copy this and just include at this decision, and you can add more to describe your photo, and just you can generate it out. So basically, that's all how we can generate AI photo. And besides, you also can download the photo in HD version. You can just download, and it will be automatically saved in your desktop in your PC. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do remember to check the description for more, and also stay tuned. Bye.